You want some cereal? No, Bailey, not for you. Kaylin wants some cereal? Oh. How does that taste? Does that taste good? Let's call the dog.
Bailey, come on, girl. My voice cracked. That was embarrassing.
Here, girl. Have some more? Oh. Ooh, look at that face. You want some more? Is it yummy? Here. Mmm. Want some more, babies? Here. Okay. Look. Whoa! Wow! Wow! What's that? You don't know what to do with that, huh? I don't know if you like the texture. Let's see. Here. Here, baby. No? You're not a fan, huh? Try again. Look. She doesn't like it. Baby doesn't like it too much. Ooh, let me eat that instead, Mom. You want to try any more? You're doing good. You're doing a good job. No, stay in the seat. Here. Here, baby. Look at that face. Look at that face. Here. Here, baby. Oh, well, not got on the clothing. It blends into the outfit today.
Mm-hmm.
Here, you want to try some more? I don't think you like the texture. Here. A little bit. Here. Open. You know to open. Go ahead.
I think that's as good as we're going to do today.